Hey everyone, Derek Smith of the Derek Smith Law Group, and I'm here to talk to you today about this really important decision that just came out from the Supreme Court of the United States regarding birthright citizenship. So this concerns a portion of the 14th Amendment, which says that all persons who, one, are born in the United States, and two, subject to the jurisdiction of the United States, are in fact citizens. So the important section there was not the are born in the United States, but the important section was for this decision and subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. Does that mean that in order for a person born here, in order for them to be a U.S. citizen, do their parents have to be domiciliaries? Does that mean that their parents have to live here? Because the concern with the Trump administration was that people were just hopping into the United States pregnant, having a baby, and then poof, that child is a United States citizen. So that particular issue went all the way to the Supreme Court, and in a 6-3 majority decision written by John Roberts, Chief Justice, he said, tough. Anybody born in the United States, hard stop, is a United States citizen. If the framers wanted to make it any differently, they would have said you have to have your parents live here in order for this to be true. So Clarence Thomas, on the other hand, writing for his dissent, said, wait a minute. This portion of the Constitution was written in order to protect former slaves, who were born in the United States, to ensure those former slaves would have the same rights as other citizens of the United States. And therefore, that interest doesn't apply anymore. And therefore, we shouldn't let people who are just coming in here, having a baby, and allowing that baby to be a United States citizen. So here we have an important dissent of 3 dissenters, and we have an important majority. And Donald Trump said that he is going to engage Congress to try and change this. As it turns out, you can't do that, Mr. Trump. You need to actually change the Constitution. And in order to change the Constitution, you're going to need a supermajority of the House and Senate, and then you're going to need 3/4 of the states to ratify that amendment. So that's never going to happen. So we have what we have, and if there is ever any change to happen, it would have to come from the Supreme Court, and that's something that may or may not happen in the future, depending on the makeup of the court, and I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. I would love to hear your comments. Comment below. Be sure to like and share and subscribe.